I have always had the belief that rocks are permanent and changeable, part of a landscape that I don't understand. But over the years, walking through this path, I have noticed a lot of changes. They're actually changed by the elements. They changed by the rain, by our shoes walking on them, by the animals' hooves, by the sun, by nature, by the moss, the lichen. And I'm like, oh, wow, the patience, the amazingness, the beauty of being part of something that is bigger than you, of being part of a landscape that is enjoyed by so many. So I have learned to see them in a different way. Even though we think they're not alive, I think they have some sort of life. And I enjoy them now way more than before. That's one of the things I enjoy about my walks. Being able to see the really tiny changes that happen every day, at every moment. And I always try to think about me experiencing the same changes.